Yeah.
Moving back to Jamaica.
Cause how much people can you say would feed you when you're hungry, when you're broke, them bless you with money. But I have been so fortunate, surrounded by so many people, make sure say me compensating. And them the thing me can't forget. Your daughter and my daughter wants me living, she no happy break. If I ever make it in a life, you are gonna be living like royalty. So me happy say the thing alright. Never ever happy think twice, no way. If I make it in a life, you are gonna be living like royalty. So me happy set the thing alright.
Do say be party.
Like royalty, royalty. Hey.
Man, I said it like she a god. Remember when me get me first under a god. Cartel say clocks up and it did record.